Stay on the table. This analogy is extremely powerful. If you internalize it, this can change your life. Imagine you go to a restaurant and you really love this restaurant. The ambience is amazing and the food is amazing. You take your table and look at the menu. The waiter comes along and you place your order. Now your order goes to the kitchen. Kitchen gets to know what you want and the kitchen gets busy in preparing your order. Meanwhile, you get a call and you leave the table to take the call, and unconsciously, while taking, you go and sit on the other table without even realizing it.
Now you're waiting for your food to come. As time passes, you notice that other people got their order, but your order has not come yet. As more time passes, you are seriously hungry now and you see other people enjoying their meal. This makes you really irritated and you start complaining, criticizing, and yelling at people that you ordered so long back and still your order has not come. But the thing is that you're sitting on the wrong table. If you would have gone back to the table you ordered from, you would see your meal is ready there. Piping hot meal ready to be enjoyed. But you left the table without realizing it. Your job is to be on the table, and this is called alignment. For example, you ordered financial blessings and tons of money on my table. But now you're thinking, when will it happen? How will it happen? Will it ever happen? You go in the conflict. You have gone on the other table. You are complaining and criticizing about it. You have left the table. Now your thoughts and emotions are not in alignment what you actually ordered. Come back to the table. This analogy is about alignment. Be on the table. Comment and tell me, are you on the table?